and behind me is Zach's car. So we're using this car for today for this camping trip because something happened to the ute, so it needs fixing. So yeah, and also something happened to his car, guys. So the brake lights won't come off. I mean, it stays on. So it was a problem, but now it's fixed. So he has fixed it.
Tell me if that brake comes.
So we're just discussing where to put our tent and everything, guys. We're going to do set up and how we are going to do the camp setup for this time. So this one is perfect spot really because there's trees. So there are a lot of trees here. So no problem with shade. And also we can put the how do you call this? We can put our hammock because this is so nice breeze. It's cool actually. And we also have this view here. So yeah, which is a bonus. It's pretty. So we got the top.
Yeah, a couple of
Coil, mosquito coil in our tent.
mosquito coils,
Yeah. So today we are. So today's camping, we will be using the this tent. We bought this one. It's a cheap tent. It's really cool. Okay, so time to set this up. Okay, so tent is up. We got our tarp, and Zach is just finishing off putting the hammock. So this tent is really easy to set up. Okay? And this is also easy to pack up. Yeah, that's right. So you know, when you are going camping, you want everything easy to set up, easy to pack up. There you go. Whew. Is it time for step 2?
Put a bit of weight down on it.
Yeah, this is what happens if you
Put it
don't
here.
set it up properly.
Where's their sleeping gear? I'll put that in.
Yeah, can I put my backpack? You get the tent up.
Let me take your weight. Yeah, just gently. Yeah, there you go.
Cheese. Your cheese is like
Cheers.
drink first and then cheese. Is that how you cheese? Cheese.
Cheers.
Ow. It's
Need to
hot.
put a tarp here and one there.
I'm in the hammock now, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. Doesn't get better than this. We have our fire going now, and an hour before the sunset.
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours? No, an hour.
Yeah, about 7 and 7:30.
Okay, so it's time to prepare.
Off you go.
No.
Step-toes.
OMG, it's so hot here, guys. Good thing it's so windy. Otherwise, it will be very uncomfortable. This is really a good spot where we are now. Beautiful. Zach is really busy cutting the tree for our firewood. Okay, so I think it's really time to prepare our meal for dinner. So we're having potato and pork, and yeah. So I wrapped it in foil because I will throw it in the fire later on. So potatoes are in. So I just checked the potatoes, guys, if it's almost ready, so I can cook the pork, because it takes time for this potato to be cooked. Okay. So I just put it like that so it won't get burned. So we'll just be perfect. A what?
Long tongs are in here.
Beautiful sunset. Just checking if the potato is cooked. Ow. Perfect. And look at this view. It's so peaceful and quiet. So our potatoes are cooked. So we're just waiting for the pork, and we'll have dinner soon. So we're just enjoying this view here, guys. It's really nice. It's relaxing.
Tuna.
Mwah.
6:30 my ass.
We just had dinner, and that was delicious. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good. Can I have another sausage? Oh.
We have pork. Yeah, absolutely. And now we're just enjoying our time here around the campfire.
Drinking some Ned Kelly whiskey.
It's our campfire. It's cold. Good night, guys. Hi guys, good morning. It's so hot here now. It's like 26 degrees, and it's I think it's 8 o'clock. So the heat woke me up. So even if we have the fan on, still it's so hot. And it was really unexpected because it was cold last night. So I didn't sleep well because we did not bring enough sleeping bags, because I thought it will be hot. But it was really cold. God. But yeah, it's pretty good. Good, nice view here. Let me show you. So I woke up around 5 o'clock this morning, and yeah, just about the sun was about to rise. It was pretty. Also, it's good. I love it. So we'll be packing up soon. We'll just have coffee and we will go. All right. So I'm making coffee now. So just put this thing there and then just let it sit for a while. So actually, guys, that's a fresh ground coffee. So this is just a experimentation, guys, if this one will work. Tastes like. Not too bad. Alright, so all done now, guys, so it's time to go.
Weird using it.
Yeah, I know.
I suppose people do.